In today's video, I'll show you how to add memes to your videos using CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your device and tap on New Project to start a new video. Choose the base video you want to use, then tap on Overlay at the bottom and select Add Overlay to import your meme. Make sure your meme has a green screen background. This will make removing it much easier. Tap on the meme overlay, then tap Remove Background. Next, select Chroma Key at the bottom. Use the color picker to choose the green color from your meme background. Adjust the intensity and shadow sliders until the green is fully removed. Now, drag and resize your meme to position it where you want on the screen. Play the video to preview how it looks and make any final adjustments to the placement or chroma key settings if needed. Once you're satisfied, tap the Export button to save your video to your device. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.